Fujikura presents the 45S Active Cladding Alignment Fusion Splicer. The 45S kit is unmatched by other cladding alignment splicers in the industry by delivering three critical benefits in fusion splicing. It significantly reduces total operating cycle time, improves ease of use and ergonomics, and produces uniquely high-quality splices and performance. The kit shortens operating cycle time by speeding up fiber preparation, loading fibers into the splicer, fiber transfer to the tube heater, and finally, by lowering splice protection heat time. To begin, two 250-micron fibers can be stripped simultaneously with the SS05 fiber stripper. Likewise, the CT50 fiber cleaver, fitted with a dual fiber adapter plate, can then cleave two fibers simultaneously. The previous Fujikura splicer model required loading each fiber individually with one hand placing the fiber in the sheath clamp base and another hand to close the sheath clamp lid. The 45S introduces a novel capability in the fusion splicing industry by enabling loading of both fibers, one in each hand simultaneously. When setting the fiber in the sheath clamp base, the pressure triggers the sheath clamp lids to close in the same motion, removing the need for a second hand to close the sheath clamp lid. After the fibers are spliced, the sheath clamps open with the wind protector, permitting an operator to quickly center the protective sleeve and place the spliced fiber into the 45S upgraded heater. The combination of these optimized features results in a 30% overall reduction in cycle time compared to the prior model, and even more so against other brands. The 45S kit also offers improved usability via enhancements that make splicing easier and more ergonomic. Thanks to its increased Z-motor ranges, the 45S can automatically correct the positioning of misplaced optical fibers, thus simplifying fiber loading. A newly added adjustable display aids in alleviating reflections or glare that interfere with monitor visibility, especially in outdoor environments. As soon as it's open, the 45S carrying case makes it easier to splice in confined locations, with its removable work tray that provides an extendable drawer to expand workspace. The 45S kit is also equipped with technology to ensure splices possess high quality and lasting performance. Active Fusion Control technology adjusts splice settings based on cleave and face quality and analysis of fiber brightness during fusion to significantly decrease splice loss, even with poorly cleaved fibers, and to maintain optimal arc power. Active blade management technology enables the 45S to monitor the CT50's blade condition, and after detecting a high frequency of bad cleaves, it will wirelessly signal the CT50 to rotate its motorized cleaver blade to a fresh position to restore cleave quality. To ensure reliability, the 45S is ruggedized to withstand shock, rain, and dust. For splicing longevity, the 45S battery can splice and heat up to 200 cycles and easily be replaced when depleted. When paired with Fujikura's Splice Plus app, operators can acquire real-time data collection from the Fusion Splicer for aiding in project management and workflow. In addition, Splice Plus provides users the ability to lock the 45S and disable its operation if the paired phone is not present with the splicer. This aids in prevention of theft and improper use of splicing equipment. With Fujikura's 45S kit, you'll quickly see how its advancements enable faster, easier, and more reliable fusion splicing than ever before seen in an active cladding alignment machine.